Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram. So when you open up your Instagram app, now go to your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then you will find here the profile page. Now you can see here below this edit profile, which you can find the story highlights, says keep your favorite stories on your profile. So how we can add these highlights on our profile? So first you need to create a story. So tap this plus icon at the bottom right here to create a new story. Now go to story. Now I want to upload this image right here on from my gallery about this news, and then tap this arrow button at the bottom right corner to continue to create a story right here. And then you can see here, tap on share. Now you will find right here at the top, you can see an option says also share to add to highlights. So tap this drop down menu right here and you can name that highlight right here. So for example, I will name it to new. So for example, I will tap this one news and then tap on this done. And finally, I have now my new story on my profile. So as you can see, here is my story. Now if you want to see your highlights, then go to your profile page again, tap on this profile icon. So here you can now see a new highlight right here, the news that I've created. And then if you want to add, you can also tap this plus icon and then you can add a new highlight right here. So for example, I want to choose this one and name this one to highlight, and then tap on done at the top right corner. And finally, I have now highlights on my profile. So that's how you basically add highlights on your Instagram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.